Brief history of Santa Barbara, Iloilo. Santa Barbara, Iloilo was originally known as Catmon, named after the Catmon trees that were once abundant in the area. It began as a small settlement established by Spanish Augustinian missionary in the early 60s and was later organized as an official town pueblo in 1760. During the Spanish colonial period, the town developed as an agricultural community because of the fertilized lands and access to rivers. It also became an important religious center highlighted by the construction of the Santa Barbara Church, which served both spiritual and historical roles in the community. Significant people and local heroes of Santa Barbara, Iloilo. Santa Barbara, Iloilo is known for producing brave leaders who played key roles in the Philippine Revolution, especially during the Cry of Santa Barbara. Individuals helped shape the town's identity as the cradle of independence in the Visayas. Significant people and local heroes of Santa Barbara, Iloilo. Martin Delgado is the most prominent hero from Santa Barbara. He was a military leader who organized and led the Ilonggo Revolution forces against Spanish rule. On November 17, 1898, he declared the revolution in Santa Barbara and raised the Philippine flag, symbolizing independence in the Visayas. He later became the General-in-Chief of the Visayas Revolutionary Government, showing his leadership not only in battle but also government. Showing his leadership not only in the battle but also in governments. Delgado's bravery, discipline, and patriotism made him the respected figure in the Philippine history. Significant people and local heroes of Santa Barbara, Iloilo. Roque Lopez served as the president of the revolutionary government of the Visayas. He worked closely with Delgado in organization. The new government after independence was declared. His role was crucial in maintaining order and establish civil authority. During a time of political transition, Lopez represented the educated and civic-minded leaders who supported the revolution not just through fighting, but through governance. Aside from this, we all know leaders. Many unnamed town people of Santa Barbara, Iloilo played important roles in the revolution. This included local fighters who joined the Revolution Army, farmers and workers who provide food and supply, community leaders who supported the cause of independence. Their collective effort made the success of the revolution possible. Although not all their names are recorded in history, they are remembered as a part of the town's heroic legacy. The contribute of these heroes are still honored today in Santa Barbara through monuments, historical markers, and celebrations like the Kahilwayan Festival. Their courage and unity continue to inspire pride and patriotism among the people of the town. Geography of Santa Barbara, Iloilo. Santa Barbara is located in the central part of Iloilo Province in the Panay Island. It lies about 15 to 16 kilometers northwest of Iloilo City, making it easy accessible and an important link between island towns and the provincial capital. Location and boundaries. Santa Barbara is surrounded by several municipalities: North, New Lucena; East, Saraga; South, Pabia; West Cabanatuan. Its central location makes it a hub for trade and transportation within Iloilo. The municipality is characterized by mostly flat and low-lying terrain, which is ideal for agriculture. The soil is fertile, allowing the town to produce a variety of crops. Because of this, Santa Barbara has long been known as an agricultural area, rivers, and water resources. Culture of Santa Barbara, Iloilo. The culture of Santa Barbara, Iloilo is rich blend of history, religion, and local Ilonggo traditions. It reflects the town's important role in the Philippine history and its strong community values. Religious and historical heritage. Religious plays a central role in the lives of people. Most residents are Roman Catholic and many traditions are connected to faith and the church. The Santa Barbara Church is one of the town's most important cultural landmarks. It's not only a place of worship but also a history of site where revolution leaders gathered during the Cry of Santa Barbara. One of the most important culture events is the Kailwayan Festival, celebrated every November. This festival commemorates the Cry of Santa Barbara and includes street dancing, parades, historical reenactments, cultural performance. It shows the people pride in their history and the freedom. Santa Barbara remains large agricultural, so many traditions are connected to farming and rural life. Common cultural values include bayanihan, community cooperation, strong family ties, respect for elders. People are known for being hospitable, hardworking, and community-oriented. The main language spoken is Hiligaynon, Ilonggo. It is known for the soft tone and polite expression, reflecting the gentle and respectful nature of the people. The residents have a strong sense of identity and pride in their town's history as the cradle of independence in the Visayas. Santa Barbara features a mix of Spanish era and modern structures, including old churches, historical plaza, government building. This reflects the town's colonial past and evolving identity.